What do I remember?
Using a condom every time?
Yeah, I remember. I don't ignore it. Using a condom every time during sex is really important.
Wow, Ria is smart. Life will be safe for sure when condom is used always.
Don't ignore, remember once more.
Saungot kinong tu thuk kila syakem no hakamit jong kakat lai terik risau haringkat ke thuk Royal Enfield kabashutu hadian bagi pulit kamauring keneng police station kila pelong ya kajing talasi hakamit jong kakat lai terik risau. Kat bagi pulit kidang pelong ya kajing talasi kila sakhi kensan ya kawe ka thuk Royal Enfield kabadan ya number AS not iway FY not pra nyaw iway hakapuar shi posting menmien kebapen hairstand bat kebam syam na sange. Kumta ki pulit kila pelong ka jing bet thong bat hadi na lap ya kani ka thuk bala no hakas nong mukendur West Jaintia Hills. Haba beteng ban pelong ya ka jing thwet ke bajur ki pulit kila yok ban kem no ya ki saungot ya ki bala tip kerteng kum ukleston gempan lai puar ubi helden krim arpos nemerta bat arwur ki kena ki benang hapok ke kat prasnam. Superintendent of Police ke East Khasi Hills uba Vivek Siem ulaong neka singi khat saw trik risau babaro kini ki saungot ki badai nakasnong amnari model West Jaintia Hills kidang aban yok diang ya katika thuk ka bashutu hadien bakila syakem no ulaong bagi pulit kila yok ru ban kurup no ya kawe kali alto tourist kabadan ya number ML not Saudi South nyok dah nyo bala pendan kam ha kani ka kam beman. Haba pelong ya kajing tokit la syamru ba kani ka thuk kadai ka bala rong tu napan bazar Guwahati bat ya ka ba ansa IT no syaki pulit ka Guwahati. Menta ki pulit kala register case halor kani ka jingja bat kajing tokit kalaya syakman.
Dude, Priya and Reha both want to meet me today. I just met Shreya yesterday. What should I do?
First, go and get yourself tested for HIV.
HIV test?
You have multiple casual relationships and unsafe sexual practices. So it is important to get tested for HIV.
You are scaring me, bro.
I'm not trying to scare you. I'm trying to make you aware. Having sex with someone without a condom carries the risk of HIV. Why are you always ignoring this? Do I have to remind you every single time? And yes, you seriously need to change your behavior.
Okay, fine. I'm not ignoring it. Sorry, Priya. Sorry, Reha. Today I am giving time to the HIV test, not to you guys.
If your habits are like Rahul, HIV test is important for you.